Hello everyone and welcome to this quick session where we'll be trying a fun exercise. So let's suppose that we have an Excel file, we have a table and then we have a few tasks here. I think it is how many? 77. Okay. Yeah. So 77 tasks. I can even confirm if I go here, count 77. Yeah. So what we want to do is, we want this completion percentage to be updated as we check. You see, so when we complete a task, we check here, and once we check, you can see that there is a completion percentage that is updated in real time. So how can we achieve this result? So let's go here and let's try to recreate this. So I will create another column, status, and let's just put the exact same format. What I will do is also convert this into a table, and here I will try to select this cell, select the entire column, and just go to insert and choose checkbox. Insert checkbox. So now we have this. Good. So we are making progress. So now let's create another cell where we put the completion percentage, just like this. Maybe we bold it a little bit. And so what's going on here with these cells? So behind the scenes, Excel is treating this as, for example, when it's checked here, it is true. When it is unchecked, you can see that the value is false. So it can be either true or false. So that is how Excel interprets this behind the scenes. So what we can do is, for example, we can create a column. Let's say helper. Let's call it a helper column. And we can say, okay, because we prefer working, for example, with numbers. Let's say that we use a if statement. If this cell is true, just input the value 1. Otherwise, if it is false, input the value 0. And here you go. And without knowing, we have already done pretty much everything here just by doing this conversion. What is the completion rate in this case? The completion rate is mainly the average of this helper column, because imagine that all the cells here, the values are 0. So the average will be 0, completion rate 0. If all the values here are checked, so 1, we will have the average of 1s will be 1, and 1 is actually 100%. So we understand that the completion percent that we want here is actually the average of this helper column. So I can come here and just type equal average and select my column, type enter, and then I change the format to percent and maybe add 1 decimal. Sorry for the noise. I live next to the road, so it's really annoying sometimes with trucks and things like that. But I hope you still understand what I'm saying. So you see that now we have the completion percentage. You see that whenever I check, it is updated. And if all the cells are checked, for example, I double click here, you see that it is 100%. And when I uncheck, you see it decreases. So the next step could be, for example, to just hide this. I hide this column, we don't need it. And here we go. In just a few minutes, we were able to create this dynamic stuff. And now you can format it the way you want. You can bold it. You can increase the size a little bit, change the color, things like that. So that was a quick one. I'll be working on more things in the future. If you're interested in something particular, just let me know. Right now, I'm just trying to play around with some stuff that I personally did that were helpful for me, and I've decided to share it with the community. So I'll keep doing it, and let me know if there's something specific that you would like me to work on. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. And also, yeah, if you have found it interesting, don't hesitate to like the video, that will help me, because right now, I'm still trying to figure out if this is really something that could help people. So if you like the video, yeah, that will notify me that you have actually found it helpful. So thank you so much, and see you in the next video.